O tol, update tayo sa iShock ko. It's an 8x10 and I was aiming for this for almost 3 years. I started with the like open lake in winter season. At pag ang lake na rito nagyayelo na, and then it turns out to be like roadway. Okay, ice lake. So now, ang ginawa ko ngayon, nag-start ako sa open lake nga, fishing. It's malamig. You know what? Super lamig. And then I bought myself na pop-up tent. Hindi insulated yun. Ang lamig masyado. And then I said, that's it man, I'm not getting younger anymore. You know? So, I save up. And yeah, I end up buying my own iShock. So, when I showed up first, and I know the person, it's my coworker, and for some reason, his daughter got an allergy on the fish. So, he needs to let it go. He needs to let it go, and he's been asking this for me for almost 2 years. He's asking me, Jules, you're gonna have, come on. I got an iShock here. For some reason, he wants to sell it to me, and I'm like, I really don't have money. That was like 3 years ago or 2 years ago, okay? And now I was like, okay, about time. I got it. He gave me a good deal. I won't give you the pricing, but it was a really good deal. So I got the 8x10 and a small cosmetic lang na mga addings na kailangan mong gawin, renovations rito. And I could do it myself, I said. So yeah, so I did get it. So I got my 8x10 iShock. And first thing I did here, kita nyo, I did paint the wall all the way throughout white. Takes me 2 days because that's too cold I think ang ginamit ko nito yata a can and a half yung jug nito. Yeah, that's too cold. So I did white. Then after that, I moved the shelves. Used to be on the other side. Moved it to here. Because I was planning to put a TV here. Lagyan ko ng TV rito. Lagyan ko ng DVD player rito o naman. So at least I can watch movies or something, right? The middle of the night. Kung gusto ko magstay rito. So yeah, I moved it here. And naglagay ako ng ano, itong, how do you call this? It keeps falling apart on me. Tawag dito yung paper towel holder niya, roller niya. So kung kailangan paper towel, nakakabit lang yung sa butas dito kalaw. But anyways, I got that ngayon, and then I did move around this. When I got it, it already comes with it. So it used to be on the other side. Mali ang pagkakadiskarte, kaya I did it that way. And then I put a 1x1 here so it doesn't move around. So it just lined up on the table when I dropped that down, and it turns out to be the whole beds, good for 2 person. And I still have cupboard drawer here so I can hide anything I want, or what you got, or maybe fishing rods or something. Got embedded rito nga, so pwede ko rin maglagay ako dyan ng battery para dyan ako mag-charge kung kailangan ko ng lights or something. Yeah, this is the 12 volts lights sa sa battery to ngayon. And solar panel to sa labas. Hindi ko muna pakita sa labas kasi ito nga ang ginawa kong update rito, tsaka yung mga renovations, I did something. So after that, pagkatapos nun, pininturahan ko to. Itong screen lang pininturahan ko. I painted black to match on my heater. My heater is running right now. Yeah, it's cold. I would say a few months from now, I'm open. Usually January, nag Ministry of something here, government anyway, magsasabihan ng mga tao rito na, yeah, you can put your shack or mga baybahayan nyo, pwede na daanan yung road, yung ice road, pwede na kayo dumaan, gamitin yung sakay nyo, okay na, kasi makapal na yung yelo. So, yun, so, ngayon, so nagiging table nga to. Tapos, ang bala ko naman rito kasi may 3 akong anak, tsaka isa may aso ako. There are 6 of us all together. Magbibuild ako rito ng bunk bed, na foldable bunk bed. So, I could bunk bed rito, probably good for 2 kids. And then, you can fold it right there. So, hindi tinitake yung space rito. At least maraming pa tayong space rito, right? It's just 8 by 10. But it's nice size though. It's good for 5 or 6. You know? It's cram, pero okay lang yun. This, makakamubarang ka pa. And, yun na nga, pinaint ko yan. Pintura. Itong table pala, nilagay ko to. So, I did that. I add that table. So, what I did, naglagay ako ng base. Pwede mo tanggalin to. Tanggalin yung yung stand, tsaka to, pwede mo tanggalin if you don't need it to. Pag di mo kailangan. Nakalagay lang ngayon dyan kasi kung bakit at least meron malagay ng mga gamit. Dito ko lalagay yung bala ko, maglagay ako dito ng yung 2-pounder na stove. 2-burner stove. Para makapagluto ako dito kung gusto kong kainin, and then pag nagutom ako, pwede ako magluto sa loob. And I could stay the whole night here, man. Yeah. My days off, dito ako mag-stay. Sa day off ko, mag-fishing lang ako sa lake, man. And yeah, so and then I would say baka next time maglagay ako ng rito ng tawag rito, so I can fold this. I can fold this down like that. I can pull that down and pwede mo tanggalin to. Lagay ko rito yan, yung stand sa loob ng So yeah, that's pwede mo tanggalin yan para walang space pag di mo kailangan. Kasi usually naglagay rin ako ng ng butas. Butas ng para kung magbutas ako sa lake, mag-drill ako sa lake. Diyan ako ilalagay ko yung jigs ko, yung panghuli ng isda. Yung rod ko, fishing rod. So this comes with 2 holes na nabili ko. So, isa, ako naglagay niyan. Tinulungan ako katrabaho ko. And then, you give me an idea how to do it. So, 2, and then 3. I did that by myself. So, then, as you can see, ginawa ko rito, I got lots of styrofoam. You can insulate this wall. In-insulate ko rin siya para kung para mas lalong mainit sa loob kung ano man. Hindi mo na less heat na lumalabas sa mo, 'di ba? Place mo. So, yeah, that's good. That one, and this is what I did. 2. Fuck, man, they're like goddamn. So same thing. Just did that yesterday, and yeah, what I did, I add more 6x6. Did 6x6 here. And then the other side as well. Actually, there's already a 6x6 that's the stand that goes the framing on this itong baba niya. Nilagyan ko lang yan, parang double talaga yung niya. Just another side right there. And underneath this, there's another meron pa siyang plywood sa ilalim. At sa ilalim nito, maraming styrofoam. May nakalagay ng styrofoam roll sa loob. So, yun ang insulation na ginawa nila. So, So, yan ang ginawa ko sa, ano ko naman, sa lid ko. I have this almost like 3 years now. I bought this like 3 years ago because I was planning to make my own Asha to build. But again, they gave me a good price, man. Nobody can beat that. There's the last one here. Okay. So, yeah. I'm so ecstatic. Saya ko. At, that's the way it is. Kaya, so far, yun muna. At, sa ulo ko, I could put this anytime now. Kasi, okay naman sa labas ito eh. So, yan ang update natin ngayon. Peace.